let's start by putting him up on some height because, you know. Alright, so my boy is taking out a cup and a half of flour. He is going to sift his flour, and then once that is sifted, we're going to add our oats and raisins. The oats wasn't so hard for him to put in, but you see those raisins? I had a hard time with him on that raisins because, my goodness, it hardly had raisins. Well, the amount it's supposed to have, actually. No. Listen, you can't be eating the raisins. Now you need to put the raisin in it. Come on, stop eating the raisins. Stop eating the raisins. It's to put in it, child, not to eat. Listen, we have to put it in here. We're not eating all the raisins. Come on, empty it in here. Come on, empty it out. Okay. So at this rate, I think it all go in your mouth. Sugar. Put your sugar. Alright, and now we're going to add some essence, right? Come on, mix. So I took over from here and I'm going to add some cinnamon and some baking soda and some essence. And I add some powdered milk and 1 egg. Mix everything in with some warm water. And my boy and I mixed it in, and then we add a spoonful each. We got 12 cookies in all. Guys, I don't have a measurement there. We just went with this because we was just making our cookies. We're just creating some memories, okay? Wait. No, look, you're on here. Come on. Look, hold the spoon. Why are you putting your mouth to eat it? We're not eating it. No, no. Come on. Right. So after trying my best to get it onto the baking pan instead of inside his mouth, I got 12 on and we baked for 20 minutes. And we enjoyed our cookies. My boy and I baked our cookies and we enjoyed ourselves. Even though he was eating the raisins, wanting to sprinkle the mixture all over the place, it was so fun. We just creating a lot of fun, enjoyable memories with my grandson, and I love every second of it, and it was enjoyable. And he loves his cookies. He really does. So this is how my grandson and I bake some delicious, comforting oatmeal and raisin cookies. It is cooked with lots of love. Check out all our videos and join us on this Granny Chronicles series on Chop It and Chit Chat. Have a good one. Bye.